In this video, I'll show you how to create smooth, cinematic AI videos that can go viral. These types of videos are getting millions of views because they look like one continuous scene with no hard cuts. Let's get started. First, open the description below this video. You'll find a link to my master prompt. Open it, copy the entire prompt, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate everything you need. A high-quality AI image prompt, a viral title, SEO description, hashtags, 3 connected 10-second cinematic video prompts. Now copy the image prompt first. Go to OpenArt, click on Image, select the Nano Banana image model. Paste the prompt, then generate your image. Once your image is ready, click on Video and switch to Kling 3.0 video model. Upload the generated image as your starting frame. Now return to ChatGPT and copy video prompt 1. Paste it into OpenArt. Use these settings: audio, on, duration, 10 seconds, resolution, 1080p. Click Generate. Wait around 15 to 20 seconds. Once your video is finished, open it. Click Grab Frame. Move the timeline all the way to the final frame. Download that frame. This frame becomes the starting image for your next scene. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy video prompt 2. Paste video prompt 2 in OpenArt. Upload the frame you just downloaded as the new starting frame. Keep the same settings. Kling 3.0. Audio, on, 10 seconds, 1080p. Generate the video. When it's finished, open it again. Click Grab Frame, move to the very last frame, and download it. Now repeat the exact same process one last time. Copy video prompt 3 from ChatGPT. Upload the latest downloaded frame as the starting frame. Paste prompt 3. Again, choose Kling 3.0 audio, on, 10 seconds, 1080p. Hit Generate. Now simply download all 3 clips and combine them in any video editor. Because every new scene starts from the last frame of the previous scene, the transitions are incredibly smooth, creating the illusion of one continuous cinematic video. You now have a professional 30-second viral AI video. You can repeat the same process to create 40-second, 50-second, or even 1-minute videos by adding more connected prompts. All the tools and links are in the description. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.